The components of the CP Select system include the power cord, which comes in 2 pieces, a permeate line, a permeate hose clip, the storage fluid adapter, a maintenance tip, a filterless tip with syringe filter, alcohol prep pads, and silicone lubricant. To install the power supply, it comes in 2 pieces, and you just want to plug this end into the block. The thick end goes to the wall, and this plugs into the side. To install the permeate line, you'll press it in until you hear it click. It also comes with a tubing clip. This is to secure it into your waste container. It just clips on the rim of the bottle. To install the storage fluid and the storage fluid adapter, you just want to take off the lid of your storage fluid, place your adapter in and screw it on. The detent of the lid fits into the side bracket. And then the tube can clip and stow in this little detent in the back. The maintenance tip stows from the top down, and there you go. To install the elution fluid, you'll first want to remove the orange cap from the canister port. And we also suggest that you use an alcohol wipe to clean the port, since this is the one place where contamination can enter the system. You just remove the cap, and you'll place the pointed end down into the canister port, press down, and latch. To remove the can, you'll just press straight down on the canister to remove it from the latch, and use your 2 fingers to pull straight up. If there's still fluid in the canister, you might see a deposit of a little bit of elution fluid on the port. Just wipe it with your alcohol prep pad.